Hello, hello. Here we are with a nearly impossible speed snap at Mount Panorama. I have more than threes here. I'm just showing you that I've got 4 upgrades on the body, not the 5th. It's still applying. This video is to show you how to do bot slowing without losing your mind. So I'm going to show you how to do auto bot slowing and how it affects things. So first of all, you're going to put all of your assists on high, and then you go change the controls to buttons, and don't touch anything. And just watch what happens. Oh, it's going to sound really nasty in a little bit. And isn't that wonderful as he grinds along the wall? That's him. That's not me. And then he's going to hit the wall again here. Sometimes it's not that bad. Anyhow, making his way to the finish line, and then I'm going to show you the speeds of the other bots. Alright, so you can see we're at 312.21 kph. I'm going to run the rest of these really fast, but I'll slow it down at the end of each one so you can see how it's changing. Sometimes you have to run it a few times before it changes at all. Some of them are starting to drop. Just got to keep going and going and going. Starting to see several bots that have the same speed of 311.90 kilometers per hour. That's going to be around 193, 194 miles an hour. Eventually, they're all going to be the exact same, and that means it's as low as it goes. There's nothing you can do about it. So let's look at it now. It's all the same speed. This is really important. Don't leave this screen. Service, watch ads. So I'm going to leave the video here, come back after I've serviced it watching ads. You don't want to leave or you're going to have to bot slow again. So now I'm going to change it back to controls that I can actually race with. So going back to my standard tilt B, no assists set up. And you're going to watch, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. Watch those little ads at the side. I'm going to line myself up with the 6th one. Then you go full throttle from that point. You got to get this corner just right. And then you stay as far right as you can for the rest of it, really, until you come up to the top of the hill. It's a little bit faster if you're way down there. And now we're going to drive over to the left, and that should give you the best speed you can get. That's a pretty good speed. 314 is obviously possible. Here's another way to do this. And this way's kind of crazy, and it really doesn't help me too much, but you back up a little bit, and then you go full throttle and you stay that way. You do a crazy wall ride. If you get a wall ride just right, you can often end up going a bit faster. In this case, I didn't really end up going any faster. In fact, I think I'm a bit slower by the time I get to the line here. So I'd say the better method is just to line up the way I did it the first time. Hope that helps. I don't see this being possible with only 3s all the way across, although I know one guy who did it by tying the time. So good luck out there. Again, I'm showing you my upgrades.